Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you through a glute workout that is a staple in my workout routine, and I wanted to share with you all of the exercises that I do and how I break them down so that you can do them efficiently for your next glute workout in the gym. So first things first, we are starting out with hip thrusts. This is a staple that I love to start out with just to get the glutes warmed up. I do like using this booty builder machine. I put some light weight on the sides, but when you do this exercise, you want to make sure that you have enough padding in between your hips and the piece that's going around your hips, because this can feel a little harsh when you're doing this workout because it's pressing against your hips with the weight at the bottom. You do not have to go too heavy here. You just have to have controlled reps. So when you get to the top, you want to make sure that you are squeezing your glutes at the top, slowing down when you come down and pushing all the way back up. You're going to be doing these for 3 sets and for 8 to 10 reps, and you want it to be a little bit of a challenge. So make sure that that weight is at a point that feels challenging to you. Next up, we are moving into pendulum squats. This machine is actually already pretty heavy without adding any weight onto it. So if you don't want to add any weight, you don't have to, and you'll still get a good resistance from that. Same thing here. You want to make sure that the reps are slow and controlled, and you're squeezing all the way back up at the top. Keep the weight at whatever weight feels comfortable to you. Next up, we are moving into sumo squats with a dumbbell. This is one of my staple exercises because you can just grab a dumbbell and do these anywhere. I do prefer to go heavier with this. I think I have maybe a 50-pound dumbbell here, but this workout is so good for your glutes, and you want to make sure that you are keeping the form just like I am here, keeping the reps controlled, and again, grabbing a weight that feels comfortable for you. Next up, we are moving into dumbbell RDLs. These are also a staple because all you need is just a set of dumbbells to do this exercise. When you're doing this exercise, you want to make sure that you are pushing your glutes back, keeping your knees slightly bent, and you want to make sure also that you feel this movement in your glutes and not your lower back. From here, we're moving into dumbbell split squats. Just grab a dumbbell of your choice, put it in the opposite hand of your leg, keep the angle here at about 90 degrees, and you want to lean slightly forward to get that lift in your glutes. From here, we are moving into dumbbell step-ups. I love doing movements with dumbbells because it is so minimal and you get such a good workout out of it. With this movement, you want to again hold the dumbbell in the opposite hand, step up on a surface, and use the leg that is stepping up more than the leg that is pushing off, because that is the working leg. You're going to repeat these movements for as many reps as you need per side. I like to stay in the 3 to 4 set range and the 6 to 8, sometimes 10 rep range based on how hard I want to challenge myself. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope this gives you a better understanding of different styles of glute workouts you can do in the gym and motivates you to give it a try. Please let me know if you have any questions. Leave them in the comments below, and make sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this.